Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you've learned on how to build a website with Emergent AI. Okay, so here, whether you're building a business website, portfolio, landing page, or online store, Emergent AI can generate the design, the code, and the deployment all from a conversation. Okay, so again, the Emergent AI is an AI powered website and app builder that turns natural language prompts into production ready web applications. Instead of manually designing pages or writing code, you simply describe your idea. And of course, the AI generates the website for you. It can also help with the back end functionality databases and deployment. So you can think of it as having an AI web developer that builds your project based on your instructions. So to get started, you just have to open your web browser and then you just have to search for Emergent AI. Okay. And then once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the project dashboard where you can start creating your first website. Okay. So here now comes the fun part. Instead of selecting your templates, so you have your templates right there below, so it can simply tell the Emergent AI what do you want. For example, we have a web app right here or the mobile app. So you just have to describe our idea and the Emergent AI will bring it to life. So for example, build a modern construction construction company website with a homepage about us section, about us page, services page, and a project gallery. Okay, and then testimonials, and a contact form, and you can also add another instruction like use a blue and white colors with a clean professional design. Okay, so make sure that your description is detailed. So let me just tap on the send option. So the more detailed your prompt, the better the result. You can also include your business type and the brand colors, the fonts, the number of pages, the features, the contact forms, the booking system, the blog, and the login page. So Emergent will then generate the website structure, layout, and the content based on your prompt. So just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so just wait. Okay, now the agent is asking you questions and you have to answer it to further continue. Okay, so just have to auto answer this one. So you just have to wait. And then once your website is generated, you don't need to edit the code. Okay, so you can just simply chat with the AI. And for example, you can make the hero section larger so you can talk to the AI, change the color to dark blue. You can also say add a pricing section, replace the images with construction equipment, create a FAQ page, and every time you submit a prompt, Emergent updates your website automatically. So this conversational editing makes it easy for beginners to refine their site without technical skills. Okay, so now it's still processing, so you just have to wait. Now, if you need more than a basic website, just ask for it. So, for example, add a contact form, create an appointment booking page, add a user logged in, build a blog, and an image gallery, connect database, create an admin dashboard. Okay, so you just have to really tell the AI what are the other things that you want to add to your website, because Emergent is designed to build both simple website and more advanced web applications prompts and rather than requiring the plugins or the manual coding. Okay, so let's just wait while it's still analyzing your answer. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds so you'd be able to see here the result once it is done. So if your website is a little bit complicated, of course, it will take a while, but you just have to wait. Okay, so after reviewing, so assuming that we are done building our website, after reviewing your website, you can preview it to make sure that everything looks right on your desktop and your mobiles. If you're happy with the result, you just have to click on the deploy to publish your website option. And the Emergent includes built-in hosting options, allowing you to launch your project without setting up a separate server depending on your plan. So you can also connect to your own custom domain, so your website is now live and ready to share. So I'm just tap on the guided option. Okay, so after that, you just have to tap on the website. So let us just wait. Okay, so let me just tap on the edit section. So getting the details right, so you still need to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so you'd be able to see here the deploy option at the top. Now, while still waiting, you can also buy more credits if you want to. And then for you to be able to build your website properly, of course, you need more credits, especially if your website is complicated. Okay, so let's just wait again. And here at the top, you have this GIF icon. So if you are going to refer this to your friends, you can earn credits worth $200 or more. So you'll be able to see that right here. So let me just check my website. All right, so we already have here now our website. So we can manually edit this one if you want to. So you just tap on the edit option. So we have to enable the editing mode. So this is our homepage, our about section. Okay, our services. That's right. And then our gallery, and then our contact information. So we just need to add here our details. That's right. Now, if you want to add more details to your website, then you just have to talk to your AI and then explain all of the things that you want to add and the things that you want to remove. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.